Welcome to learning how to create a chart using Five's Chart Wizard. There are two ways you can create a chart in Five. The quickest way is through our Chart Wizard. You will find the Chart Wizard in the visual menu. To begin with, we need to give the chart a title. And then select our data source. A data source can be a saved table or query in Five, or an external connection that you have established in Five. Once you have selected your data source, you will see the return data over here, and all the fields from your data source will be listed in the X and Y value column fields. This is where you select the fields for your data set. You can see that as soon as a field is selected, the chart dynamically changes. All the months are now represented along the X-axis. And when the Y value is selected, the average rainfall amount for each month is added to the chart. In the chart area section, you need to add an ID and a title. While in the Chart Wizard, you can only create one chart. However, a chart can have multiple chart areas when creating a more complex chart in the Charts view. Hence why an ID and a title are needed here. We can choose to show the chart area title. Now we need to select the chart type. Five has several inbuilt charts that you can choose from. Because mine is based on rainfall, I'm going to keep it at the default of bar. And now we have a few options we can add, such as giving our X-axis a title, which we can show or not show. We can change the position of the X-axis. We can add a menu item for our chart so it's available straight away in our application. We can show or not show our legend. We can give our legend a label. We can change the position of the legend. And lastly, we can click in the colour picker field, which will open the colour picker, where you can select a colour for your chart. There are several methods to add your colour. You can use the slider, or simply choose a colour block. And of course, hex and RGB values can be added. When selecting a pie or a donut chart, you can select multiple colours. Once you have finished, save your chart. The chart record will now be available in the Charts view. And this is where you can maintain your record.